Okay, guys, so we've had a very long day. I'd like to thank the best of each and all of you for having paid such careful attention, because it has been a pretty intense day. Hopefully, this bonus day has been useful to you because you've learned to do things that other hypnotists will shake their fists in envy at you for, and they're fun. You've learned some secrets, some subtleties within the hypnotic process, and hopefully, as well as having fun with it, you've learned actually to understand the hypnotic process with a better instinct, with a better intuition, as a result of having played those, instant inductions and catalepsy things that you've been doing with people. More importantly than that, you're all now budding hypnotists. You're all now master hypnotists in the making. In your mind, you've been made, although you just have some things to catch up on. You now have a model for how to turn this into a successful business. Not just as a business that you get money for, but as a business that actually helps people. In other words, something that works, that allows you to do your job. It's going to require effort. Just like getting better at your induction requires effort. Just like understanding the therapeutic process requires effort. Just like working with every single client requires effort. But if you put the effort in, and you use the same ingenuity, flexibility, and the same kind of heart that you put into actually helping other people, then eventually you will find the formula, the way of working, the way of being and doing all the stuff that works for you, and you can do this for a living, and you can have a very healthy living. In my mind, I think it's the basic point to aim at is a six-figure income. $100,000 per year is totally reasonable for a good, decent hypnotherapist that does all the right things. It's definitely something worth aiming for, and it's something that's totally achievable if you can get all the other things in place. Higher sums are absolutely possible as well, but they require more refined and processes. But basically this doesn't really change. It's just more refined ways of doing this and better ways of leveraging off these things. That's all that it is. So with that happy thought, I'm going to allow your minds to go home and think about all the exciting experiences you had today, because tonight, of course, you'll dream. Some of you will dream about being hypnotized, which is a great dream to have. Others will hypnotize others in dreams. Of course, when you wake up, the great news is you can make your dream into a reality, because the instant inductions are fun and quick and easy to do. The more you do them, the more experiences you get, the better you'll become as a hypnotist, because it gives you all those subtle little things that really drive the hypnotic process. So I'm going to encourage you to dream of hypnosis, dream about all these other things you learned about, and then put your dreams into action so they become a reality for you. With that happy thought, I'll see you guys here tomorrow at 9 o'clock.